Polygroups are a useful feature that lets you group different parts of a mesh by color. To turn on polygroups, enable the Draw Polyframe icon or press the hotkey Shift-F. It might be a bit hard to see, but above the icon, you'll find the words Line and Fill. Click them to toggle each option on or off. Turning off Line hides the wireframe, showing only the polygroup colors. Turning off Fill hides the colors while keeping the wireframe visible. To assign a new polygroup, press Ctrl-W. You can use this to assign a new polygroup to a masked area or to visible parts of the mesh. For example, apply a mask, then press Ctrl-W to create a new polygroup for that section. Once your mesh is separated into polygroups, you can easily isolate them using the Select tool to toggle visibility. This also makes it simple to combine two or more polygroups into one, just by hiding and showing specific parts. A practical example would be assigning separate polygroups to parts of a human sculpt, like the head, body, arms, and legs, to make the workflow smoother. All the polygroup-related features can be found in the Polygroup section of the Tool panel. One especially useful feature is Auto Groups. It automatically assigns different polygroups to each separate mesh within the same subtool with just one click.